In today's video, I will walk you through how to make text big in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and look toward the bottom left corner of the window. Click the User Settings gear icon near your profile. From the Settings menu, find and select Appearance. This section controls how Discord looks on your screen. Next, look for the Chat Font Scaling option. You'll see a slider that controls the size of text in your chats. Drag the slider to the right to make the text larger. As you move it, you'll see the text size change, so you can choose a comfortable setting. Keep in mind that this changes how Discord looks only on your device. Other people won't see any difference. It also affects your chats across Discord, including servers and direct messages. If the text becomes too large and fewer messages fit on your screen, simply move the slider back toward its previous position. That's it. You've now learned how to make text big in Discord. Open User Settings, go to Appearance, and adjust chat font scaling until the text is easy to read. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.